The next item that we have to see is the income elasticity of demand. Note that the demand, it is changing because of the price of that product. So demand of X will depend on the price of X. But also we have seen earlier that when the income increases, okay, you will find that the demand of X will increase. Okay, so because most of the products are positively impacted by the increase in the income. So when I want to understand what is the sensitivity of the change in the quantity with respect to the change in the income, we bring a concept of elasticity of demand, income elasticity of demand. That is, elasticity is measured with respect to the income. So what is the definition? It is a percentage. Income elasticity of demand is a percentage change in the quantity demanded divided by the percentage change in the income. So we can write as elasticity of demand with respect to the income. That is why you have I. Okay, it is percentage change in the quantity of X demanded divided by percentage change in the income level. So percentage change you can write as this, del Q divided by Q, and percentage change in the income is del I by I. What we can do is we can bring only the del concept, that is a change in quantity by change in the income, into income will come above and quantity will come down. So this will be your equation of the elasticity. So it means that what I can say is this del Q I can write as dQ and del I can write as di into income by initial income divided by the initial quantity. So it means that it is also a differentiation. Okay, so if your quantity, we know that it is also a function of income. Okay, so here you are differentiating with respect to the income. So usually the income is also linear. So whatever the coefficient of the income, so let's say quantity demanded is equal to K minus C into P plus A into I. That is, when you differentiate quantity demanded by dQ by di, it will be only this constant will come, right? So the coefficient of income will come over here. So this is your coefficient of the income, right? Now typically what you find is that income, when it increases, the quantity demanded it increase. That means elasticity is positive. Okay, this is what we usually see, that elasticity is positive. Note that not always this is true. So only for those goods wherein this happens, we call that as normal good. In a case of normal good, an increase in the income lead to increase in the demand. So the normal goods have positive income elasticity, whereas there are some goods, okay, where the income level increases, you find that the quantity demanded decreases. Think about, let's say you travel by bus. Okay, you know that in India the bus services are so pathetic that you are traveling only because you are thinking that okay, I want to save money. But let's say suppose your income level increases. Okay, would you travel by bus? Okay, no, you would change to auto. You would start traveling by auto. So what will happen to the demand of the bus? When your income is increasing, the demand of the bus is decreasing. The bus service demand is decreasing. So we can say that the bus service is a inferior goods or inferior service. That is, an increase in the income, it leads to the decrease in the demand, and as a result what happens is this quantity is negative when the income is positive. So quantity is negative when the income is positive. So overall this is negative value. Okay, that means it has a negative income elasticity, right? So please remember, normal goods are those goods which have positive income elasticity. Inferior goods are those goods which have negative income elasticity.